welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a video that I've wanted to do a while, and I just had to get it up here and do it. We're going to be talking about concealer today, but why are we talking about concealer? Cover dark circles, cover deep under eyes. Now, what I mean by that is these bad boys right here. When you don't get a lot of sleep, you're trying to look cute whenever you wear full face of makeup, and next thing you know, these guys just, you want to attack and show off. We're going to be dealing with today. That's the type of topic we're going to be dealing with today. And if you're new, I'm pretty sure after this video you want to hit the subscribe button, because it's going to be one right here on your mobile, one right here on your desktop, and one big one on your screen. So we all have them. We all have them. Don't think because you're not at a certain age you don't have them, because you did your concealer, or even if I don't want to wear concealer, I have to layer a light powder for me to get by, so I won't say, oh, I put on some LA Girl Pro concealer and call it a day. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna, you know, teach you how to definitely calm those nerves about it and just, you know, go with the flow. See what you can get done with it. Face. So the primer that I already used to moisturize my face, and not a primer and moisturizer, is the dual action moisturizer from Clinic Clear. It's already been set, everything in place. It's been off about a good 30 minutes, so that's great. So I'm going to be taking the LA Colors, of course, face primer. Helps smooth skin and intense makeup, so we definitely going to need another product above the moisturizer. I kind of go overboard with this. Even though this product is a silicone based product, it still works good. It still works the best. So it works good. I'm just gonna focus it mainly underneath that area, and it feels so good. It feels like you're massaging. Then I'm going to apply it to the other areas of the face. Now, excuse this guy right here. I don't know why he decided he want to just pop up and be like, hey, look, okay. I think that's letting me know time of the month is approaching, but I just hate that he had to choose that spot to let everybody know it's time of the month. I mean, come on, get real. So what are we gonna do? But before we do that, even though that we already have moisturized, let me know how you feel. Stop right here in the video and let me know how you feel about your under eyes. Do you hate them? Do you love them? Do you embrace them? Let me know, because I embrace mine. Sometimes I just don't care. Sometimes if I know I'm gonna take a picture, I'm like, yes, honey, I care. Today we're gonna cake you. We're gonna put a little something, but we're not caking. We are observing it, and we're slaying it, and we're saving it. So, oh, goes good. All right, the next step you want to do is definitely color correcting. Color correcting is gonna block out majority of your issues with your under eye circles. Let me go get my favorite color correcting product real quick. Stay there, don't move. This is the BH Cosmetics palette in dark. I love this palette. This palette just, it just works me. It just does everything. Okay, it does everything it needs to do. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. Yes, I'm gonna go in with the flat brush, and I'm gonna save my life today. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. How amazing. Okay, this is the most important step. You want to use this step because, one, it just takes care of half the problems you have. Alright, so we have color correct. What's next? Let me just go ahead and just block him out just a little bit, because he's being very disrespectful up there, just chilling like he run this. He don't. We run this, okay? So now that we have everything just, you know, primed, we got a color corrector in place. What is next? What is next? What's the tea? What's the tea? So the next part you have to do, so color correcting cancels out the darkness, and concealer basically covers it. You want to know the difference whenever you're doing it. It's very important to know, because if you're just using concealer, you're basically just applying it on top and boom. Now, even though I say if you're applying concealer on top of your dark circles, it's covering up, but you just want to highlight it. Now, you don't have to go all the way, but I'm using my favorite. I always depend on this product because number one, it works, it's easy to blend. Two, it's very important to have in your collection. I mean, if you don't have any of these products, you need to wake up out of the bed and go get you some. And three, it's just everything. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to take a small reshape and kind of highlight the area. Just a little bit, not much. Because if you over highlight it, it's just going to take away. Okay, it's going to make it look unnatural. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to have our face looking unnatural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with that same exact brush because I felt like that brush did a major job. And what brush is this? It's like one of those brushes that you get out of a kit that don't have a name on it. Okay, but now I'm just going to go over and just over pack, but not too much. Kind of bring it up just a little bit. Alright, so we kind of like bringing it up. Bringing it up just a little bit, Alright, yeah, this brush is really dope. I wish they had a name and I wish I remember the brand where I got this brush from. It'll be so helpful instead of me just bragging about it and not knowing where. Like, it is so disrespectful. I'm just gonna continue to cover oh boy up because oh boy is getting on my nerves. Alright, so I kind of got mostly the concealer blended out a little bit, so I got that out of the way. Woo, I feel good. We're getting it going. We're getting pumped. Just get pumped. Yay. Alright, so now you want to set with the powder. This is the Black Radiant True Complexion powder. Now, you guys, I'm gonna tell you. Look at that. Can you see? All of that, right? So you have to be very little with this. Just gonna take the BH Cosmetics 117 and kind of set everything. Just, you know. It goes a long way. Look at that. Kind of set. Oh, look at. Oh, look at. Oh, girl. It's like you can barely tell. It's like you can barely tell. Oh my gosh, it's like you can barely tell. Like, dope. Try not to touch it, but look how natural it looks after just those certain steps that I just used. Like, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That's so cute. Okay. Alright, so now all I do now is just basically swipe away and be done. We're done. Look how cool that was. Don't even look like I have it. Oh my gosh, it looked like I just don't even have bad under the eyes. Like, look at that.